Beautiful people, welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious garlic and soya bok choy or bok choy or pak choy dish. Trust me guys, really easy to make, really delicious. Add some rice on it and make yourselves a lovely vegan dish this evening. Let's go. Starting off, you're going to want 3 small bok choys or bok choys, 1 small onion chopped, a teaspoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of MSG, 3 cloves of garlic very finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of vegan oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and a teaspoon of chili flakes. I also forgot to mention, a teaspoon of sesame and a teaspoon of cornstarch. In a wok with some oil, I'm going to start off with the onions. Give them a good stir, add in the garlic, give that a good stir, and a toss. Go in with the MSG. Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more. Next, lay the bok choys flat. Leave in the comments if it's pak choy or bok choy, I never know with this. I'm just pressing them down just to let them wilt a bit. And I'm going in with the vegan oyster sauce. This is also known as mushroom sauce. You can get this in any Asia market. Very easy to find. Going in with the soy sauce. I'm just letting that wilt for a bit and then throwing in the chili flakes. Give it a good toss. Add in the sesame. Now to thicken the sauce, I'm just going to use 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Give it a good stir and you're good to go. Just plate that up nicely and you're done. This is so delicious. It really is. Very umami, strong flavour, absolutely lovely. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also feel free to give me a like and a comment, show some love. Ciao for now folks, see you next week.